This helps. That works good.
There's a reason the world loves Jim Carrey, and it's because of 3 films that came out in 1994. Ace Ventura, Pet Detective, The Mask, and my absolute favourite comedy movie from the 90s, Dumb and Dumber. The Farley brothers absolutely demolished this script, and I know that they let Jim Carrey ad-lib as much as he could with Jeff Daniels, but it is so fantastically written. A story about 2 dumb friends who travel across the country together seems simple, but the writing and jokes are so well done that me and the kids were just absolutely gut laughing through the whole thing. Check out Dumb and Dumber. It is 100%, 1000% worth watching.